Caldwell, and we're here at Caldwell Farms in Turner, is where my family grew up. My Gram and Gramp came here in 1944 with 2 red heifers and a milk cow, and started a dairy herd. And as things have progressed, we now have between 450 and 500 head of beef, and we no longer have a dairy herd. Farming for us has evolved. We knew several years ago that just milking cows wasn't going to make a living for us, and we knew we had to diversify more. So we became certified organic and then started raising organic beef as well, and natural beef. But we diversified. We do some certified organic compost, we do some field loam, things like that. We cut firewood, we sell feed, we basically do anything that we can try to make a living at. What we love to do is have cows and take care of them, but you have to broaden beyond that. I make cow decisions, not business decisions, which makes it harder for my dad. And so my dad's all the time trying to figure out a new way to make money in farming, so I can keep making cow decisions because they're not profitable, but they're the right thing to do. Our animals are bedded in the winter months, and they always have access to outdoors. And it's one of my jobs to make sure their health is good and that they have everything they need. Come on, kid. Come on, yeah, you know what that is. If we didn't have the support of the consumer and the businesses, we couldn't do this. I wouldn't be able to buy shavings and keep my cows clean. I wouldn't be able to pasture my natural animals on certified organic land. I wouldn't be able to feed them certified forages. There are a lot of things that we do that cost more, and in the end, the consumer helps us and pays for a lot of it. Our family truly recognizes and appreciates how important not only our direct relationships and our customers that buy directly, like the health food stores, but the people that come in and care. They want to know that they are helping small local agriculture. And small local agriculture, we won't survive without the environment that they're creating for us. We know here how important the whole chain is, because I can't care for them if we don't have people that care about what we're doing.